to the beach.
What's that, honey?
Where?
Right there.
Right there? That's Alcatraz Island. And there's another one over there. You just can't see it yet.
There's a big one out there.
Yep. I'm sure if you ask somebody that works in the marina, they would know what it is. Yeah, it's kind of cold. Ah! It's coming right for us. I don't think I actually see it on the tape. I just sound crazy. Bye-bye. Look, this one's brave. This one's defending his food.